I will show you how to install and create Instagram account from a mobile device. You need to go Play Store. Click on Play Store. Click on search bar. Just type Instagram. Now you need to click install. After install, you need to click open. There are two options. If you want to log in with Facebook, you now just click continue as your Facebook profile. Now you need to write your full name if you want, then your username. Click allow and continue, then click skip, next, done. Click not now, click skip, again skip. If you want, you need to follow those people, then again you need to click skip. Boom, your Instagram account ready. Thank you for watching Quick Get Studio.